Hey guys, this is Gloria. So I am back with a small AliExpress haul as well as a few little projects or examples of what you can do with the items that I purchased. The first thing that I wanted to show you guys are these bow straight pins or sewing pins, and they're really cute. They come in this plastic container. It's actually still taped shut, but you guys can see what the bows look like. And thanks to Judy told me, you know, they do have bow pins on AliExpress, and so I went and looked for them, and of course they were there in pastel colors, so I went on and picked them up, and I love them. They're not super long, but they're great for sewing, and they're super cute because they have bows to them. So that is the first thing that I will share with you guys. Then I also picked up this die. And this die says life is good. This is the size of the die right here, and I just cut it out of purple as well as this gold glitter cardstock from Hobby Lobby. And I thought it was really cute. And you can also take you know, because I lost my little circles for the eyes, but you can also take some hearts and maybe put hearts at the top there. I thought that was really cute, and it was very inexpensive, so I went on and picked that up. The next thing that I want to show you guys is this die right here, and it is a tag die. It comes with 3 different pieces: the little scallop tag, a rectangle, and then this little oval piece right here. And I'll show you guys a couple examples of what I did with them. So this is all of the pieces cut out. This is the rectangle, the little oval piece, and then the back tag piece. The paper that I used was from Michael's, and the glitter paper that I used was from Hobby Lobby. Now the little oval piece that goes at the top, it does not have a hole in it, so I just used a hole punch and just punched a hole through both pieces, and that is how that tag looks. And of course I wanted to make a little shaker tag, so I made this one as well. And I backed it on back of another tag, so there's 2 tags on here. And I did this bow. This is from my stash from My Creative Time, and put a little gold trim around the bow, and then just made this part a little shaker. The back part of this paper that's in the inside of the shaker is a glitter paper, and it has a slick backing on it. And so instead of trying to stamp on that, I figured put another tag underneath it, and you can write your message on top of that. So that is what that looks like in the back. And you can always write your message here, or you can write your message here and just use the second tag to kind of cover it up. And then I also just put some tulle from Hobby Lobby up top for that one. So that is that one. The next one that I'll show you guys is this ice cream cone, and I honestly thought that this was going to be larger than this, but it's okay. It can be used for ephemera, but this is the ice cream cone with 2 toppings and the drippings and the sprinkles, as well as this berry that's not shaped like a strawberry, so I'm not sure, but or a cherry. But this is what the little ice cream looks like cut out, and I just put the 2 layers, and I did not put the drips or the, you know, the berries or whatever on top of there. But that is what it looks like. You can also take an embossing folder and emboss the ice cream cone part with like a lattice type of embossing folder, and, you know, make the lines on here, make it look more like an ice cream cone. But I thought that was really cute, so that is that one. And then I also picked up this one, and this one is really cute. It comes in 2 pieces. It comes with the background piece, and it comes with the little top piece. And this is what it looks like when you put both pieces together. What I used in the back is the glitter paper. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but I did glitter paper on the back, and then I put pink paper on the top. There you go. And I thought it was really cute. You can take these and layer them and make a bunch, like a row of them, and put them across a card. I did keep the little hearts from here, and I mixed that in with some sequin mix, and the hearts are so cute. So that is a good idea if you do like shakers and stuff like that. You can always keep those little tiny hearts that pop out of there. Really cute die, so pick that one up. The next one that I will show you is this set right here, and it came with 5 pieces. There's a larger rectangle piece here that's scalloped, and this rectangle piece is actually stitched. And then there's this rectangle piece, this one, and then this one. And so actually it comes with 6 pieces, looks like. But the rectangle pieces are all the little wonky like stitching, and then these are scallop edge rectangles. So really nice set to have. You can definitely use this bigger scallop rectangle to make your card bases out of. And all you do for that is just fold your paper in half first before cutting, and you're going to butt your paper right up against right before the cut line right here. So you want to make sure that your paper is not reaching all the way over to the cut line, but just up to the cut line, and that way you'll make a scallop all the way around here. And so let me show you guys what that looks like. So this is the larger scallop rectangle, and then this is the larger stitch rectangle, and that's how the stitches look. Really, really cute. So I picked up that set. And then I picked up this one, and what this is a box, and it's pretty cool because this is the entire bottom part of the box, and then this part here is the lid, and then all of these either go into the lid or you can use them on the sides of the box. So you can cut the box out, and you can layer these inside of here to cut areas of the box out if you want. So that is really cool. And so I made a little box to show you guys what that looks like. And so this is the box. This is the size of the box. It's a really nice size. I just used a stamp from Alina Crafts, and I stamped hugs on there. And this is that from that set? No, I think either this is a punch or this is another die set that I have. I can't really remember right now, but I stuck a little pearl in the middle of a tool bowl, and the tool is from Hobby Lobby. And I just think it's really super cute. And this is a very plain box. Of course, you can take the little sides and make, you know, the little intricate pieces of the box, or you can do it in really pretty paper, like floral paper or something like that. But it makes a really cute, nice size box. So I went on and picked that up. And then last but not least, I've been playing with my Cameo again. And oh, by the way, Maggie Holmes, Carousel, and Bloom, and every other kit that she has on AC Digitals is on sale for 30% off. So I know that I picked up a set from Peachy Cheap last week, but when they had the digital kit on sale, I just went on and picked it up. I already had the Bloom kit, and so now I have the Maggie Holmes Carousel kit, and it's really, really cute. So I've had this one for a while, and I've shared this one before, and I've done projects with it, and this is a really cute envelope to have. I'm not exactly sure if they still have it on AliExpress, but it's really, really cute. And I just want to share with you guys some projects that I did. But first off, I'll share with you guys just some things that I printed off from the Maggie Holmes collection. So it's just this paper and some vellum. I love printing on vellum. And this is some Georgia Pacific cardstock, just paper. And I did some vellum cards so that I can use them on projects. So just had some fun cutting out or printing out ephemera and different sheets of paper to use for projects. So I'll share with you guys what I did. This is the first one, and this is a vellum envelope, and this is actually a pattern that I made myself. I took different pieces from the Maggie Holmes collection, the bow, the So Sweet, and a little skate, and just made a little cluster, replicated it on my sheet, and then printed it out. And so this is what that vellum looks like. It's really pretty. And in the background, I'm not sure if it's really coming through or not, but it is a very light mint green with white polka dots in it, and it's printed on that vellum from Hobby Lobby. This right here, I just made this little skate ephemera, and the way that I made that was I took one of the skates, I replicated one, and then I layered them on top of each other, moving one slightly up so that it'll look like, you know, you can see both skates on the paper. And I just printed out, and I actually just fussy cut these out. I didn't even use my silhouette to cut them out. And then this little tag back here I made with the tag maker from Hobby Lobby. And I actually messed up on this one, and as you can see, the side is smaller over here than it is over here, but it really doesn't make a difference. I mean, it's still really cute. I used some of that crepe paper that I ran through my sewing machine, and that is peach color crepe paper that I got from Goodwill a few weeks or about a month back. And then this little bow right here is actually a barrette from the beauty supply store. And I was watching Happy Mail Queen. I believe it was Happy Mail Queen. She was talking about using barrettes because I think she saw someone else use them on projects. So I went and purchased some and cut the little sides off, and I was able to glue it on top of this clothespin. Really pretty clothespin. And so that is what that one looks like. And then when you turn it over on the back, you can actually take the clip off and the little tag, and this is what it looks like without everything on there. And it's a nice size pocket, and it has this really pretty scallop edge with the little holes in it. I love this die, and so it's really cute, and it's ready for a little treat or some type of gift giving. So I thought that was really cute. The next one that I made was this one, and this is a bow from Michaels, and it has the tag already on the bow. And so I just stuck this word sweet, and that came from Tuesday Morning out of one of those DIY shop sticker packs. It has a bunch of words in it, so I just put the sweet one on there. This is more crepe paper from my stash, and then this is more vellum paper that I created on my computer using the Maggie Holmes digital kit. So really, really cute. Love the way these came out. The next one is this one, and of course I had to use my little stamp, just a creative type of girl. So I made another one of those tags using the Hobby Lobby tag maker. I also used the We Are Memory Keepers hole reinforcer and did like a gold reinforced hole thingy. And this is on a pink tag that I stamped on. I put these little stars that I got from the Craft Fancy garage sale, and I stuck those on there. And this one actually has a few pieces of like those little unicorn pieces from Party City in the inside of it, but that's how it looks on the back. And this is a paper clip that I created using some trim from Michaels and just a gold paper clip, and that is hot glued inside of there on the back. It's not on the back, it's actually inside the loop, but it's hot glued inside of there. And so the tag can come off, and this is what the little bag looks like without the tag. And so the clip just holds it all together, but it can definitely be used on other things. So I thought that was really cute. And last but not least, I made this one, and I call these my Siv Bows, because I saw Siv's video where she went on her Cricut and found a really cute scallop bow. And I have a Cricut maker, but I haven't really delved into it. I have opened it, but I haven't figured it out all yet, you know, and tried it out. So I went on Silhouette and found a bow, and I used that bow, and it did have a little scallop edge to it. And so this is a pearl from Michaels that I just glued into the middle of that. This is some paper that I printed off of my computer, and this I printed off of my computer as well, and it's just one of those Carousel, Maggie Holmes Carousel cards that that's in her digital kit. So I just printed it off, and then I used, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I used a glitter glue pen to kind of emphasize some of the little pieces on the horse and the little flag. And then this is more crepe paper out of my stash. And then this one was printed on white Georgia Pacific paper from Walmart, and that's how it opens up. And it just has that really cute scallop edge. So that is about it. That is all that I have done so far. And I will be back with other projects as soon as I possibly can. And so, as always, guys, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.